Hello again, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to do a mascot link in Python, just like this. As you can see, you can't see the link, but you see the subscribe word. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. Now open your Sublime text or anything you use to code your Discord bot and type, a silent dot command and ASYNC DEF. You can just put anything you like here, the name of the command, ctx embed.discord embed. Make sure you have imported Discord, and you make sure you have imported Discord and Discord's command so it will work. So now let's get back. Title. This is your title. You can do anything, but you can't make the title a link. I have another option for that. I will teach you in the next video. So you only work in description for the mascot link, but I have another option for you in the next video. So stay tuned. Now I'm going to put my YouTube channel in there and then tap subscribe here, just like the word I just said now. That's it. And always ctx.send embed equals embed, so it will send. If you just type an embed thing, the Discord won't think that is an embed. Okay, so if you want to see the last video how we made this, the link is in the description. And now let's test the bot. The mask. See? So here you go. So subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.